How's it going, everyone? I have to talk about FFIE. I get a lot of people that ask me about it. I get a lot of people that come into my Discord trying to get advice. I can only give you what I see on the chart. I don't want to pump this thing. I don't want to have put bias into it and all that because I know a lot of people that have. I mean, there's one channel that has 1 million subscribers and is pumping the heck out of this thing, and it's got a lot of people to back hold, and it's just crazy because there was no reasons to it other than I think hopium hype and all that. There was no technical analysis, which is one of the best. The fundamentals are obviously not the greatest for FFIE. I think we can agree it because the market is never wrong, guys. If the market says this thing is at 36 cents and should be lower, the market is right because that's where the algos take it. And I'm going to show you guys all these hidden secrets, and you will never bag hold or listen to a pumper again. I'm going to show you guys a system that has over 95% win ratio, and that's not to BS you, that is facts. I record all my trades that I take. There's a lot of ways to do this. You can ask my Discord members. I win a lot, and it doesn't matter what market I'm in. I'm going to do this system, and it's very accurate. And that's not just to be, egotistic. It's just I want you guys to be confident in when you trade, because when you're confident, that's what creates you power. That gets your mind going. That you don't get those psychological fears of like what if and all that. You just trade based on a system that works. So FFIE was alerted many times and looked at in my Discord. I remember right in here, when price hits the ATR4, this is a buy zone. Whenever it hits my bottom band, the green band, that's when price is just oversold a lot. I customized it to where you should be looking for a buy. It doesn't mean you just get in right away because it can hug it, magnet to it, and all that. But it's more so like, do you have time distance of the EMA 10? And that's what price tend to do. We get this fast reaction to the 10 and the 20 because there was time distance, and there's just many times where FFIE has did exactly that. ATR4 touch here, correction to the 5 and 10, and as you can see, $10 with all the splits to 17, over almost 100% move. But we don't have that for FFIE right now. So how, if you're in the trade or you're looking to get in the trade, there's still ways to trade it because there's a lot of back holders, there's a lot of momentum, there's volume, so you can get in and out. I day traded this thing many times, but if we're going to trade FFIE, look at the trend. Try to make it make sense. What is price doing? What is it respecting? And you can very well see. Let me see if I can get a better picture here. I'm using this trend channel here, and you can very well see what price is predicted to do. Um, I know there's a better one. I want to get the top there. There we go. Sometimes you have to work with it a little. So as you can see, price, if you do the top of the trend channel here, at this candle here, you can see we are respecting a clear line. You know that this is resistance, and if you pinpoint the line here to the body, you can see why this was a sell zone, and when you get close to it, it's be a sell zone. So all through here, you should never be buying. Never get caught into the hype. I remember this day clearly. On June 25th, it was so hyped up, everyone was buying again, and then new bag holders were created. So with this strategy, if you're not at the ATR4, which is this green band here, because it's going to fluctuate, it takes time to get up to it. It had a massive move. It needs time to fluctuate. The indicators lag. So this is going to take time to it. So how do I trade it? Well, we have enough distance here. I wouldn't have traded this first drop here. Once we have enough distance and you can draw the trend, right in here is a nice solid buying opportunity from 27 cents all the way down to low 22s all throughout this area, and it pumps all the way up to 67, over 100% move potential. Where would you sell it? I would not have looked just right to the upper trend. I would take the profit at the EMA 5 and the EMA 10 and the EMA 20. Because what happened is price has to always go back to your EMAs. That's a fact. That's a guarantee. Look at any chart, back test it as much as you want, get back to me. But I promise you, price will hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. There is formulas of how long it takes. If it don't touch the EMA 5 in 5 days, that would be considered long. If it don't touch the EMA 10 in a month, that is long. And the EMA 20 in 2 months is really long. Just a free tip. But so that's why we look for these kind of things. And so a lot of people would be like, well, can FFIE go to $3? For it to go to $3, you would have to go way over this ATR4. If it goes to 70 cents, this is really, really overextended. A lot of sellers would look for this ATR4, and that's where price sells off. You get up to it, you sell off. Where does price go back to the EMA 5? And it can do this, but will it ever have this massive volume again? I actually did look to short FFIE. I'm not here, I want bulls to win, but when you're at the opposite spectrum, when you're in the hopium spectrum and you have pumpers, people with million subscribers pumping this thing and being like, with no knowledge of any technical analysis, and all of it is gut feeling, you need to be very scared, guys. You need to be like, what the heck did I just buy? The fundamentals are not good. Anything with under $1 stock is a trash company. And I say that because I want everyone to think that. Because if you are under $1, the market knows where it's priced at. You're going to get reverse splits. You're going to get offerings, dilutions. You get all that in it. You're not going to get that with NVIDIA. NVIDIA is priced where it is. It is the future. The market makers know where to put it. The algos know where to put it. But for FFIE, for people to put the fundamental card on me, I'm like, we need to be really, really scared the heck if someone starts saying that. So FFIE, follow this trend channel. Obviously, rating here is your buy, ratings here your buy. If you were going to average down, that would be your next buy. The problem is it gets lower and lower. Will it get here? Probably not. I mean, unless something really bad happens, which we see all the time. ATR4 is this lower band here. That's where I would look to buy. And as you can see, we have roughly 2 days of time distance. We hit the EMA 5 here. To a T, algos bring it down. And now that creates our time distance. But you can see how precise algos are. We hit the 20, go down. We hit the 20, go down. And you'll see it all the time. Hit the 20, go down. So, okay, I just want to say this because I get a lot of people in the Discord ask about it. Get rid of the Band-Aid. I'm telling you, there's so many trades to take. With an over 95% win ratio, I promise you, you're going to be profitable. I can get all your money back on your losses on this trade. If you want to join, very affordable too. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. Please read how to subscribe, avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. If you want to be a part of an amazing community, head on over to the service shop on the top left. You'll see I offer 2 services: day trading, swing trading plus, and day and swing trading plus. The day and swing trading plus is $12 a month, only $12 a month, with an I repeat, with facts, results, and everything. Members can testify over 95% win ratio. Even when the market is terrible, you're going to make money. Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and that gives you access to all these channels. And I'm going to show you guys a new way to trade, a new way to catch bottoms, a new way to catch trend reversals. So here's how, when you click this, do subscribe on computer. It is slightly cheaper. It's only $12 a month. You won't pay a dime more. So do it on the computer. You get my day trade education with examples, a video exclusive for you guys, day trade alerts. We just did Meta. It went up over 150% within 30 minutes of trading. That's the power of options. Day trade chat, RTK journal. This right here is what proves my results. You're always welcome to see my journal. RTK live stream. I'll go live for you guys. Swing trade education, plenty of education, all for the price of $12. I'm telling you, don't hold on to a penny stock. That's all I'm going to say. Anything can happen. There's massive room it can go down. There's massive room it can go up. It's like flipping a coin. Do not listen to anybody that's pumping. If there's no valid reason, if they don't tell you why, if they don't give you a chart like this that tells you the buy entries, or there's no system, then you need to run, and don't ever listen to that, guys. I've blown plenty of accounts. When I first started trading, obviously I didn't know anything. So what do I do? The first thing is to trust someone. And we all like to hear pumping advice. If I'm in FFIE, what do I watch? I watch all pumping videos on FFIE. Price goes down, what do I look for? Other people to pump it and look for their opinion, but they have no idea. They're all bag holding with you, and they're going to sell their shares immediately the minute they break even. So yeah, I learned a lot. Trust me, guys. I learned my mistake. I lost a lot of money. So when I started doing this, I am extremely profitable, and anybody can do this strategy. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. It's always there for you guys. I'm always here for you. I promise you, you will be profitable if you just give it a try. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and let me know in the comments what you think. I read all your comments. I'm here for you guys. Happy trading, guys, and stay humble, stay blessed, and wish you guys the best.